Today I'm gonna be showing you how to create this smooth and easy masking transition in After Effects. No third-party plugins, no stress, and if you want them clean edits that stand out, don't go anywhere. Let's jump right into it. Alright, so first we're gonna start off by duplicating our clip. Then we're gonna go to time, freeze frame, and we just gonna drag it out some and cut off the excess. Next we will start masking out our subject, and I'm gonna just speed through this part. So once you got your subject masked out, you're gonna go down to mask, and then you just gonna adjust feather and the expansion. So once you have cleaned up your mask, next you will turn on the 3D icon and the motion blur icon. You will set a keyframe for everything, and you just gonna grab the arrow, drag the position to the right, and it'll set a keyframe for that. And you can bring the keyframes in a little closer if you want it to, to adjust the speed. I think that's smooth right there. Alright, so next, easy ease those in. I'm gonna use flow just to add the finishing touches on it. And it's all preference. If these masking tricks help you level up your transitions, drop a like and sub for more After Effects hacks. You got questions or want a part 2? Hit the comments. I got you. Peace.